Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special in store for Makar Sankranti, a delightful Bengali sweet dish, Puli Pitha. Let's get started. Makar Sankranti is a festival of harvest and joy, and what better way to celebrate than with a traditional Bengali sweet? Puli Pitha is a delicious rice dumpling stuffed with jaggery and coconut, served in a creamy milk sauce. Let's dive into the recipe. For this heavenly dish, you'll need rice flour, water jaggery, grated coconut milk, sugar cardamom powder, ghee. Begin by mixing rice flour with water to form a smooth dough. Now, shape small portions into balls and flatten them into discs. These will be the dumplings for our Puli Pitha. For the sweet filling, mix grated coconut and jaggery. Take a small amount and place it at the center of each flattened disc. Seal the edges to create the dumpling shape. Boil water in a pot and gently drop the dumplings in. Once they float to the surface, they're ready. Remove and set aside. In another pot, heat milk. Add sugar, cardamom powder, and a touch of ghee. Allow it to simmer until the milk thickens slightly. Now gently place the dumplings into the milk sauce. Let them soak up the richness for a few minutes. Our Puli Pitha is almost ready. Plate up the Puli Pitha, generously spooning the milk sauce over them. Garnish with a sprinkle of grated coconut and a dash of cardamom. The perfect treat for Makar Sankranti is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for joining us in making this delightful Bengali sweet dish. Wishing you all a happy and sweet Makar Sankranti. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!